What is up, guys? Blaziken Burns, and I'm back here with more Pokemon. It's been a while, hasn't it? I've been training like crazy. Um, no, that's a lie. I've been busy with other shit. So for like the past 30 minutes, I've been training like a motherfucker. Come here. And you get to see everything in HD. So, let's see. Charizard, Fearow, Raichu, Nidoking, Vileplume, and Mystery. If you can guess who that is, you win a prize. I will give you a shout out. Oh, hello. Sorry, I'm about to go defeat some people. Be gone, intruders. What up, bitch? Hey. Let's use an Umbra. Okay, he's using focus energy. Alright. Let's see if I can catch this motherfucker. I'm probably not gonna catch him. This motherfucker dodged it. Wait, it can't be caught? Oh, okay. Shit, well... Dude, I'm sorry. I feel so bad. The ghost was the restless soul of Cubone's mother. The mother's soul was calmed. It departed into the afterlife. Well, all I have to do here now is to save. You fuckers again? Yeah, Ghastly, I know. These fucknuts over here are all like, I'm messing with it, fucking my home. You asked for it. What are you doing here? What do you want? Why are you here? I'm here to save a guy, dude. Shit. Okay, one, you need to slow your roll. Oh my god, he's sent him to Zubat. Yeah. Bye-bye. Sorry, I don't give enough of a fuck about you. Oh, shit. I should have... you want to know what I should have done? I should have switched over to boopers. I give up! I'm not going to forget this. Dude, by all means, in fact, I don't want you to forget this. Sorry, Ghastly, but I'm too busy. This old guy came and complained about us harming useless Pokemon. We're talking over. We're talking it over as adults. I'm sure you are, with a whip. Coming. Bitch, I bet you wish I had my Snorlax. Shit, son. I'm a fuck nut, aren't I? I'm sorry, everyone. I know I should have used a dig. I'm really sorry, guys. I know I should have used dig there. I'm an idiot. Pokemon are only for making money. Stay out of our business. You're not the one in charge of making demands, dude. You're not saving anyone, kid. Really? Oh, okay, I could do that. Okay. There's a motherfucker over here. See what I have to put up with. Yeah. Fucking... Why? Seriously, is... Is it just like too much money to try evolving your Pokemon? Shit. Too bad. You're not getting away with this. I can assure you I am. Eh? You cannot save me? Thank you, but I came here of my own free will. I came to calm the soul of the Cubone's mother. I think Marowak's spirit has gone to the afterlife. I must thank you for your kind concern. Follow me to my home, Pokemon house, at the foot of this tower. Yes, Mr. Fuji? Ash, your Pokedex may fail without your love for your Pokemon. I think this may help you. Ash received the Pokeflute. Upon hearing the Pokeflute, sleeping Pokemon will spring awake. It works on all sleeping Pokemon. Alright, boys, you know what this means. Where's the mart? Oh, it's down here. Alright. Can I get Ultra Balls now? I can only get Great Balls. Let's nab a couple of revives. Ah, shit, I can't carry any more items. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go heal my Pokemon real quick, and then we're gonna go take on that Snorlax. So... Oh, this thing is autofocus. Autofocus. We wish to see you. Alright. One thing that I don't think people understand is whenever they say we wish to see you again, it's not saying we hope your Pokemon get hurt. It's saying like, hey, don't be a fucknut. If your Pokemon are injured, you fucking heal them. Don't be that one douchebag. Okay, cool. Yeah, I did battle all these. Oh my god. Go fuck yourself. Fuck you too. I really had to pee. Alright. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go take a pee real quick, and then I'll be back. Testing real quick. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so what I'm going to do... Snoring is like level 30, right? Switch this. Let's switch Flowey with Blaziken, and let's save the game. Yeah. All right. Let's do this. Oh, Snorlax woke up. Oh, fuck. He's pissed. Yeah, he's level 30. Oh, shit. Alright. Well. Alright, so here's what we do first. Fuck you. Alright, let's just try Mega Train real quick. God damn it. Alright, fine. Check this shit out. You wanted to try doing that? Get him, Steve. Boy! Oh, come on, dude. Horn attack. God damn, I might need to bring out, like, I'm going to try Blaze again. And if he dies, say I'm going to reset it. Because that's what you do. Don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him. Oh yeah, that's right, bitch. Oh my lord! I'm gonna go grab him right out of that PC. A very lazy, just eats and sleeps as it rounds. Bunk builds, it's more slothful. Yes, hold on. Be right back. Alright, I'm gonna go grab him from the PC. Oh, wait, what the fuck am I doing? Oh my god, I thought that battle was gonna be a lot longer. I made sure to give the most mature name possible. Alright, so... Yep. Most mature name possible. Alright. So, I know there's a few moves I need to teach him. One, it needs to be Surf, because he is going to be my Surf slave. Two is Psychic, because it's amazing. Tubby butt. He knows Headbutt, Amnesia, Rest, and Psychic. We're gonna be here a while. So... he also needs to learn... yes. Alright. And I'll leave Amnesia to get replaced by Surf. Now you might be wondering, like, Blaze, why the fuck did you teach your Snorlax Ice Beam? Well, you see, good sir, or madam, depending, because I really don't care if you're a sir or madam. I'm glad whoever watches my videos. You see, what I'm thinking for is I'm thinking for the Elite Four. And I've also played this only in yellow version. But do you know what happens in the Elite Four? I'll let you take a guess. Well, what happens is... Oh, this motherfucker. Alright. Electricity is my specialty, he says. Okay. Here, check this out. Do-do-do-do. Ow. Please. Damn. Did you see that? Damn, dude. I fucked that boy up. This is the fishing guru's house, right? I'm the fishing guru. I simply love fishing. Do you like fishing too? Grant, I like your style. Take this and fish. I got the super rod. Fishing is a way of life. From the seas to the rivers, go out and land the big one. Thank you, fishing guru. I'm just gonna walk away feeling just a tad bit better about myself. Knowing that somebody believes in me. Now check this shit. Alright, Tubby Butt. What up? Have you found a moonstone? I have. Check this shit. Ow. Ah, god damn it. I fucked up, didn't I? Guys, I'm sorry. I know, I should have used... I know, I should have used Psychic. I'm sorry. It's gonna hurt. You see why he's wondering if I found a moonstone is he can only evolve using a moonstone. Yeah, that's right, motherfucker. Snorlax is one of my favorite Pokemon. And what makes it all better is, like, right now he is lined up with, like, all of my other Pokemon. Like, I don't need to do any more grinding, I just need to take him with me. Shit. I'm gonna save. So you guys might be wondering, hey Blaze, what do you do, like, during, like, your, grinding modes? I actually watch a lot of YouTubers. Well, I listen to them. And it makes just everything fucking amazing. Like, usually what I'll do is, I'll get, like, Game Grumps compilations. You little fucknut. Shit. Fuck you! Take him out. Good job, Tubby Butt. Fuck you. That's right, motherfucker. I'm too fat. Tubby butt. So, like, right now, actually, what I'm doing is I'm watching some Game Grumps. That's the dude who made all that. Who makes the comps that I really like. The compilations. Go check him out. He's amazing. I'm told I'm good for a kid. Okay. Just boom. That's not gonna be good for you. I just imagine like Tubby Butt, and he's just like grabbing the mouth and just like boom. It's a Rattata. Alright, Tubby Butt, you psychic. Shit. Attaboy, Tubby Butt. Alright, Tubby Butt. Let's be very carefully. You got it, buddy. I believe in you. Whoa, Tubby Butt! I want you to take that mouth and I just want you to fucking boom it. Oh my god, where'd you go, Tubby Butt? Ah, fuck it. Oh, wait, well, fuck. Oh, yeah, Vermilion. I'm on the road. What is our Pokemon? Alright, so we're about to hit our 30-minute thing. So what I might do is I just might fuck away all the other trainers that are near me and grind a little bit more, because what I have to do is because what's coming up next is the Safari Zone, and I might just go get Surf and just say fuck it, but I might not. I might just be like, well, shit, fuck it, anyway. Yeah. Man, I really just need to find an editor. If anyone's interested in, like, editing, I'd love to edit my videos. Oh my god. I'd love that. I'd love that to fucking death. Because at the moment, like, I don't really have a computer. The one right here is more of a borrowed. Alright. Sure, we'll leave off. Thanks, guys. I'll do whatever, I guess. I'll let you guys know. I wonder, can I also move? Ah, fuck. I cannot. Alright. Well, I'll let you guys know. Catch you guys later. Love you. Bye.